HVAC room seals and doors. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with technical training and consultation service. Overview. Maintaining cleanroom pressurization and preventing cross-contamination requires airtight sealing around structural components and doorways. Common leakage points. Leaks tend to occur at door perimeters, ceiling tile edges, lighting fixture junctions, wall penetrations, pipes, outlets, conduits, cracks in structural surface. Recommended sealing solutions. Top and side seals. Use closed-cell neoprene gaskets to minimize crack area and ensure cleanability. Undercut seals. Apply drop-type seals, preferred over wipe-type. Avoid scuffing or residue on flooring. More consistent seal under pressure differentials. Airflow accounting and system design. Pressurization airflow must include air escaping through cracks as part of total supply requirements. Dynamic conditions, e.g., door openings, tunnel interfaces, should be addressed with automated dampers, volume control boxes, airflow sensors and controllers. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.